chicos. If I'm saying all our chicos, that means one thing: we are heading off to Spain for sexy senoritas and bike racing. And talking about sexiest senoritas, here's not one and here's Lee. Anyway, we're now about to board the plane. Slight change to these vlogs. Our pit bikes are not even on the way to Spain. There were some logistical problems, Rob, wasn't there? Logistical problems. So our pit bike, yes.
Gate change announcement, Ryanair flight FR60.
So our bikes are not on the way, but it's going to make this vlog even better. We're probably going to get 2 vlogs out of this. So tomorrow, fingers crossed, we are heading off to the Mir Race Circuit to race or ride some rental pit bikes. And then Sunday, we're at Fortuna to ride some Metrokit 125s. Not any Metrokit 125s, these are the ex-Red Bull rookie bikes. So that is going to be excellent. So I'll do a bit of filming of the travel on the way there.
You will.
Or Lee will. No, Lee's driving, so I'll be doing it. So yeah, I'll film some travel stuff and then we'll get on with the bike riding tomorrow.
That is the gayest thing that I have ever seen in my life. Jay and the bag, that is. Not just the bag on its own, the bag is probably alright, but Jay and the bag.
Bye-bye. It's so warm! Thank you, Lee. No, what are you doing? Grab it! No, I'm not even going to start with alright, guys, because we've already done that part of the vlog. Right, here in beautiful Alicante Airport, my second home. It's hot.
It's too hot.
Let's not complain.
It's not too hot.
It's not too hot.
Absolutely beautiful.
When you've just come from
Minus whatever.
1, 2, yeah, it's really nice. So we're now waiting for our transport to the hire car, and then we're heading over to the lodge. Gotta get some booze before we get to the lodge. Bit of alcohol. And not have too much of a late night. We can have a bit of a lie-in tomorrow. We ain't got to be there really early. It only takes an hour to get there. So. Yeah. I'll show you around the lodge when we get there.
Let's see if he makes it.
Definitely couldn't have a pillow fight up here, could you? Oh my god! That dips in really bad there. Look at that!
What the fuck have you booked, Joe?
Oh my god, there's 2 slats missing!
Lovely.
I think I might go on the bottom bone.
Mate, the bottom's not much better. I feel like I'm in the pen, you know?
It does feel a bit prison, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What are you in for, mate? Right, just concentrate. I'm going over there. Am I on the right side of the road? I think so, yeah.
Here we are, sports fans.
I can't go up there, sat now.
You need to go straight on, you spastic.
Oh, okay.
He's having a meltdown already and we've only pulled out of the hotel car park. Brilliant.
Lowering the window to change gear.
Ow, my forehead!
No, it's telling we're going the wrong way now.
Just follow it. We
Am I on the right side of the road?
You are on the right side of the road.
Un peloton. These sat nav, even though it's not called gas anymore, it's called Mir Racetrack. Get that, Rob?
Got that.
Oh, look. Right, so we're all signed down here at Mir Raceway. I can't believe this. Like, me and Rob were like, we're going to get 10 minutes for €100. It's not going to happen. Daylight robbery. We have got all day on the bikes for €100, and you have to leave £50 deposit in case you break it. This is insane. I'm so excited. I haven't been this excited in a long while. Not since the first time I saw Wendy's boobs. I've not been this excited. still so excited. It's daylight robbery.
It's that lovely face that got me here this weekend.
Oh, was
I've been
it?
chasing down Fortuna because of the racing. So I watched it. It was actually at Cadwell.
Yeah.
And I was looking at Cadwell's and your blog come up. So I'm looking at that and then you said the weekend out here and everything like that. So I've got myself out here, trying because I want to get on track.
Yeah.
But there's nothing down at Fortuna.
No. Watch this, I'm going to do a racing start.
Nice one.
I'll try again. I just want my own bike. I mean, this is good for 100 euros. It's 100 euros, don't forget. But I just wish I had my own bike. It'd be so much more fun. January, we're coming back in January. It'll be a lot better vlog. But at least you guys are seeing what you can get for 100 euros. And
not a little lot.
No. The excitement that I had when I turned up has dissipated a bit. But, and look, we didn't expect to get any bike time. Well, we did. We thought we could have 2 days on a Metric Kit Red Bull Rookies bike, but you'll see that tomorrow. But yeah, it is what it is. The suspension is horrendous. The tyres are not good, and the bikes are deadly slow. And when you're going around with 600s and things like that, it's a bit dangerous. And I'm going to say this under my breath, I've got no insurance, but yeah, it's fine, it's fine. It's totally safe out there, no one's died, so it's all good.
Just don't forget, it's €100.
It's €100.
It's €100, don't forget that.
So yeah, just to like put it in context for you, it's €40 for the track hire and €60 for the bike hire. So if you are just coming here on your own bike, it's €40 for the day, and that's still really cheap when you think Ella Park, you get what, like 3 hours, you've got all day here for €40, which is about 36 quid. So it's a bargain really. And look, it's November, nearly December, and we're in what I'd say about 20-degree heat. And this track is epic. It just doesn't seem so epic to me at the moment because I'm going around it at about 15 miles an hour.
Probably even slower, actually.
Hey, it's alright, it's alright. It's going to be a lot better tomorrow on a Metric kit. At least has got a little bit of power. So, and we're going around Fortuna, which is a lot bigger track. That'll be next week's vlog. Right, so that session we went out on a different one and it was night and day better. That was 100% worth the €100, that one. It was just much, much better. I even overtook a few people. Now, Rob has been given a different one because the one that we were going out on before was a death trap. I don't think there was a drop of oil in the front forks. So Rob has now got a better one here, and I'll stick with the one I got. We're going to do one more session, call it a day, and then we're going to head off to Benidorm for some drinks. Speak to you later, guys. guys, so that's the end here at Mir Raceway. Renting these IMR 90s out for the day. Let's go through it again. 9 o'clock till 7 o'clock. All day you can rent these. We had one bad point, but the rest of them have been brilliant. Alright, they're not the quickest things in the world. There were a few more of us out on these bikes at the end of the day, and we actually had a little battle, and I actually overtook a few people, so it's been a mega day. It's an excellent track. It'll be so much more fun if we can come on our own bikes. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll be doing that in January. Me and Rob, I thoroughly enjoyed it. Hopefully Lee's got some good footage and the onboards are really good. Yeah, it's been mega. It was a bit sketchy at the start when we were all out together with 600s and that, but at the end of the day when we were in just a pit bike group, it was mega fun. So yeah, €100 guys. If you're in Spain, even if you haven't got any kit with you, they've got the levers, they've got the boots, they've got the helmets. Come down and absolutely give it a go. It is fantastic. No pit bike experience because you don't even need to learn gears because they're twist and go. So absolutely amazing. Tomorrow we are at Fortuna on the Red Bull Rookies bike. That'll be next week's vlog. But until then, thank you to all my patrons. Make sure you all hit the subscribe button and I'll see you next week at Fortuna. Bye bye.